In this video, we're going to take a look at AI-generated avatars that we can use when we're creating an online course. Imagine casting a full team of actors for your next digital course with no auditions, no contracts, and a very low cost. These actors never take a sick day, they'll never break character, and they'll read your script word for word.
Don't forget to mention that you can also spark interest by having a variety of actors.
You should also mention that the software you are using to create these avatars can also write the script for you, create the voiceovers, and then generate the avatar reading the script, like me, not to mention speak in other languages.
Die Leute werden es wirklich zu schätzen wissen, wie aufregend und abwechslungsreich ihre Kurse mit diesen Avataren sind.
These AI-generated avatars are your new cast of characters for you to create more engaging content, to make students see themselves in your content, and to create variety. So in this video, we'll take a look at a 1-2-3 process where we go from an idea to a complete script, to a voiceover of that script, to a fully created avatar. And often this takes less than 15 minutes for a 1-minute video. That's a great ratio of time to delivery. Then at the end of this video, I'll share a complete video that I created with one of these avatars in action, where the avatar talks about the importance of using variety and representation in the videos you create. So let's take a look at how to set it up, and then you can see at the end of the video a complete finished product. To create the avatar, I'm going to use Audiate by TechSmith. I'll generate a script to begin with, and I can choose different options to rewrite or summarize. I'm going to create a script. I have many different types of scripts that I can generate. So I'll generate a corporate business script doing a presentation. I can have different styles, whether I'm enthusiastic, friendly, serious. I'll choose friendly here. Different languages are supported, so I can write the script in any of these languages, and I can choose the length for the script. I'll choose medium in this case. I'll then enter a prompt, and for this one, I'm going to have an avatar explain the use of avatars in order to create variety and inclusiveness and representation within a course that I'm creating. So I'll put in the prompt that I'm interested in having a script generated for, and it'll go through and it'll generate the script very quickly. It takes a few moments, but it's going to generate a complete script for me on this topic that I can then go in and edit if I'd like to edit the script, and I can change anything that I want to emphasize or anything that I want to make sure are my words. But the nice thing is I have this great script that's written for me that gives me a great starting point. Now the next thing I want to do with this script, I want to read it, make sure it's what I want. I'll go back to generate, and now I'm going to generate audio. I have some different voices that I can choose right from here, whether I want them to be, friendly, feminine voice or conversational, or I can go right into the native language. So there's different languages and varieties on those languages. I can choose a specific character that I would like, and then I can, of course, go in. I'm going to choose, you see I have the Jenny character here, but there's both male and female voices in here. I can change the speed and the pitch, and I can preview that to make sure it's what I want. I'll generate the audio here, and then later on I could add the avatar. So in this case, I can choose the avatar that I would like to read this script as well. So we can choose from multiple avatars, and you can go through and see someone that works for you. So we'll go ahead and I'll generate that avatar, but we'll first generate the audio. So it'll generate the audio. Maybe I just want a voiceover. So I can use this tool just to create an audio voiceover of a script as well. If I don't want to go through the process of generating an avatar, it takes a few moments, it'll generate a script or generate the audio for the script. And you'll see here that the audio is now yellow, and I can play the audio to make sure that it's reading the way I'd like. Go back to generate, again, choose the avatar that I like. I can put them in landscape mode, a square or a portrait. So I'll put this particular one into a square, and then I can generate the avatar. And of course I can edit this, and I can remove the background as you saw earlier in the video. And you can see that it's going to take about 21 minutes to generate this avatar. It did not really take the full 21 minutes. It took me about probably 14-15 minutes to generate the avatar. I cut out some of the section of the video while it was doing that generation, but now I have an avatar and I can start previewing what this avatar sounds like.
Welcome everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of AI-generated avatars and their transformative role in online course creation.
Once I'm happy with the results, I can go in and export the file either to Camtasia to edit it further, or I can export out to a file. So I have the default values, but I can go and modify those if I like. I can also go in and change the file format. I can change the frame rate, depending on the quality I need for a frame rate. I can go and change the quality as a general to high quality. I'll do high quality, and it's a square, so I'm locked to 1080 by 1080. I can, of course, export out to Camtasia if I'm using TechSmith Camtasia to edit. Creating this engaging avatar was very easy, and it occurred in almost no time at all. I'll put a link down below in the description to an unlisted video that has the full 1-minute video that we generated using this software, so you can check out the full video if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe, do all those YouTube-y things, and we'll see you in the next video.